Assalamualaikum students, hope so you are doing good. Our exercise, we are going to start exercise 3a. We discuss in last lecture question number 1 and 2. We are going to start question number 3. In question number 3, this is select the correct answer from the given option. An equivalent fraction is 2 by 7 is. This is the question of equivalent fraction. Before going to start move forward, we recall the definition of equivalent fraction. When the numerator and denominator are multiplied by the same number, we get equivalent fraction. For example, our question is 2 by 7. If this is a question, what is the number? Multiply numerator and denominator by the same number, we get equivalent fraction. What would be that number? The number is 2. If we multiply that number 2, we get 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. Our answer is 4 by 14. Move forward. The given shape of the shaded part is there are total 6 parts and color parts are 4. We write color part in denominator and shaded part in numerator. So our answer is 4 by 6. In the question number C, 4 by 9 and 3 by 10 are like, unlike, proper and equivalent fraction. This is proper fraction, but proper fraction option is not available, so we look like or unlike. Fraction with different denominator, recall the definition of unlike fraction. Fraction with different denominator are called unlike fraction, so our answer is A. Move forward. 37 by 5 is dash fraction. 37 by 5, numerator is greater and denominator is less. Numerator greater and denominator is less, and improper fraction. So exercise question number E. In a proper fraction, the denominator is. Proper fraction की definition में क्या होता है? Numerator is less and denominator is greater than the numerator. Question number E. Circle the correct fraction. There are total 6 parts and color part is 1. So our answer is 1 by 6. 4 total parts and color part is 1. Total part 3 and color part is 2. Our answer is 2 by 3. Total part 3 and color part is 1. Our answer is 1 by 3. There is a circle in question number F. There are total 5 parts and color parts are 2. So our answer is 2 by 5. Color each ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन. हमारे पास फ्रैक्शन दी हुई है तो हमने कलर करने हैं. 2 पार्ट्स हैं तो हमने 2 फ्रैक्शंस हैं, 2 ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं तो हमने कलर किस में करना है? 1 ऑब्जेक्ट में. देयर आर 6 टोटल पार्ट्स एंड वी विल कलर in 2 parts. Color it carefully. There are total 4 parts, 4 objects, 4 fruits, and we will color 1 fruit. So this is our question. Now move forward. The question number 6 is very easy. You can solve do yourself. We can look first question. 1 2 is 2 and 2 2s are 4. This is also an equivalent fraction. 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So you can solve all the remaining parts by doing yourself. Question number 7. Question number 7 is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction में हमने क्या करना होता है? इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन में हमने मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड करना होता है. अगर हमारे पास 6 बिगर नंबर होगा तो हम उसको क्या करेंगे? डिवाइड करेंगे. और अगर हमारे पास स्मॉलर नंबर होगा, स्मॉलर नंबर से हमने बिगर नंबर की तरफ जाना होगा तो हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. नाउ लुक एट दिस. दिस इज 6 एंड इन ऑल पार्ट्स वी डिवाइड और मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. सो लुक एट द क्वेश्चन. 4 by 6 is equal to dash by 3. So we divide. This is a greater number and this is a smaller number. We move greater to smaller. So we divide. 2 2s are 4. Now in question number C, this is smaller number and this is greater number. We move smaller to greater. Then we multiply by 2. 2 2 is 4. In question number D, this is a greater number and this is smaller number. So we divide by 2. If we divide by 2, so 2 3 times 6. In the question number E, 1 by 5 and this is 10. We move smaller number to greater number. We multiply by 2. 5 2 is 10 and 1 2 is 2. So in question number F, this is smaller number and this is greater number. We multiply by 2. 3 2s are 6 and G student, this is also this is also a smaller number and this is bigger number. We handle it by multiply. If we multiply 2 times 2 2s are 4 and 5 2 is 10. The last question is H. I hope so you can do yourself because this is greater number and this is smaller number. If we divide that number by 2, and what is the number? The number is 2. How many times 2 is 8? 2 4 times 8. Our answer is 4. Hope so you understand. Please comment me. Thank you very much.